What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little work on the 85 Dodge Omni 4-cylinder turbo here. So after I got the street legal, I guess you could say, exhaust done on my car, I realized that the mufflers hang a little bit too low, so there's like no going over speed bumps or steep driveways with this thing. So a couple people told me, hey, why don't you try these load level or load adjust coil over shocks in the rear. So I thought I would purchase these and see if it gives me a little bit more lift in the back, get those mufflers off the ground a little bit more. Alright, so I got my tape measure out. And it's looking like it's about 20 and just a shade under 20 3/4. Alright guys, well, I got one of the new coil over shocks installed. Anyway, this kit comes with a spacer and a new outer nut, because on these A bodies you have to use the spacer on the top shock mount to give it some clearance from the coil to the gas tank. So all you do is slide the spacer on just like that, and you install your coil, and then you put your old washer that was right here out here on the outside, and then the new nut, and I'll get back as soon as I do that. As you can see, they're bolted up and all finished, so I'm going to let this thing down here. Alright guys, so I've already jounced the suspension about 4 or 5 times, and I can already tell that it's sitting a little bit higher in the rear, because the bottom of that fender well used to be just slightly below the top of the wheel. So let's do a measurement and see what we got. Looks like about 21 3/4, so it raised it up about 1 inch. Perfect.